Let's enjoy some Jamaican oxtail. This is the oxtail recipe you've been searching for. It's quick, flavorful, fall off the bone tender, and a lot healthier. First, you're going to trim off the extra fat and then give it a good wash. Then season well with some dry seasoning, a little browning for color, and a generous amount of my green seasoning. I just made a fresh batch of green seasoning for the week. It has the most flavor when it's freshly made, so I'm going to add a generous amount because this is all I'm going to use. I'm not going to cut up any additional seasoning. And this is what gives it most of the flavor. Allow it to marinate overnight, then sear on both sides for 2 to 3 minutes. Pressure cook for 30 minutes. Make sure to skim off any remaining fat after that. Remove any oil from the pot before you add it back. And then add a bit more of the green seasoning, tomato paste, carrot, and dumplings. Let it cook down for another 10 to 15 minutes or until tender. Add the beans within the last minute or two and just look at all this remaining fat that we skimmed off. Recipe and details are below, and as always, live life to the fullest and just enjoy.